Good morning, Tigers. I'm going to read the Snowstorm to you today. This is a time where you can just sit and listen. I'm going to show you how to use voices when you read the book, The Snowstorm. This might be something you want to listen to after you read Snowstorm today or before you read Snowstorm today. It's going to be up to you, but I just wanted to give you an example of what that sounds like. The Snowstorm. Written by Michelle Dufresne, illustrated by Kula Carmen Elena. The Snowstorm. "Look," said Little Penguin. "It's snowing."
"I love snow,"
said Baby Seal.
"Let's go for a walk."
Little Penguin and Baby Seal walked and walked in the snow.
"Look, I can catch a snowflake with my tongue,"
said Baby Seal. "I can too," said Little Penguin.
"Look, I can make tracks in the snow,"
said Baby Seal. "I can too," said Little Penguin.
"Oh no, where are we? Are we lost?"
asked Baby Seal. "Uh-oh," said Little Penguin. "Where are we?" Baby Seal began to cry. "No one will find us." I'm sorry, I did the voice wrong.
"No one will find us," said Baby Seal. "It's snowing, no one can see us."
"No one can see us, but they can hear us," Little Penguin told Baby Seal. "We can call for help."
"Help!"
called Baby Seal. "Help, help!" called Baby Penguin. "I can hear Little Penguin and Baby Seal calling for help," said Mrs. Polar Bear.
"I can hear them too,"
said Grandpa Walrus.
"They are in trouble again. We must go to find them."
Grandpa Walrus and Mrs. Polar Bear looked and looked for Little Penguin and Baby Seal. It was snowing harder and harder. "We must keep on calling," said Little Penguin.
"Help!"
called Baby Seal. "Help, help!" called Little Penguin. "I can hear them," said Mrs. Polar Bear. "Here they are."
"You found us,"
said Baby Seal. "Yes," said Mrs. Polar Bear. "We could hear you calling for help." And then we go into the snowstorm. So remember to use your voices like that when you're reading your book too, The Snowstorm.